It's a real guy with real bags under.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service is issuing severe thunderstorm warnings for southeastern Denton, eastern Tarrant, southwestern Collin County, and northwestern Dallas County until 2 p.m. A severe thunderstorm is located over Grapevine, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. This storm may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and at least small hail. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Denton, eastern Tarrant, southwestern Collin, and northwestern Dallas counties until 2 p.m. Severe thunderstorm over Grapevine, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.